Hey guys, this is 4-25. I'm going to be replacing the 3 ionization detectors, smoke detectors in my house with these new photoelectric detectors. I'm going to be replacing 3 of those. And I already have a photoelectric downstairs. It's an ionization actually. I'm not going to be replacing that one. I'm only going to be replacing this one. There's one basically under it, and then there's one in the stairwell. Detector 1 is installed, as you can see. Looks great up there. The other one was only hanging by 1 screw, so I went ahead and drilled another hole so that one is secure up there. Now we're going to do the next one, which will be in the hallway downstairs. Here's the second one we're going to be replacing. It's in the hallway, so I'm going to go ahead and get that one started. It's an older first alert. Okay, now I'm going to do the last one, which is this one, located in the stairwell going down to the basement. So, let's get this one started. And that was it. That is all the detectors replaced. So there's one there. There's also one down there, sort of back behind there. It's an ion though. It'll probably be replaced sometime in the near future. So there's this one. And there's this one. And then there's one up there. So, thanks for watching. One of them's already chirping. Whatever. This is 4J25. Out.